First, download Lynk app from the Google Play Store or from the Apple Store if you are not an Android user. Lynk app is a new digital payment app from NCB Jamaica. They are promoting their new app and giving you the opportunity to make money in the process by using your referral code once you sign up and verify. Just put in the necessary details the app is asking for and you will be verified within a day or a few minutes. When all verification is finished, you can click the section where you see the initial of your first name and last name. My own is J. S as in John Smith. From there you can click the part mark rewards. Then click on claim bonus and enter this code 772B6 to receive $250 bonus. This is a demo account and it is not verified, that why you will see the lock symbol beside claim bonus. You cannot claim bonus unless verified, so once verified the lock symbol will disappear. Now in order to make more money you can go the rewards section of the app and click invite friends. You will see your own invite code pop up. Just share that code with anyone and tell them how to sign up and verify their account. Once they sign up and verify their account they need to enter your code in the claim bonus section. Once they have done that, you will automatically get $250 for each person that have done this. So if you get 10 person to sign up, verify their account and enter your code in a single day, that $2,500 credited to your account. There is no limit to the amount of person you can refer, so get as much as you can while the promotion lasts. The $250 bonus code can be copied from the description of the video or the comment section if you did not get a chance to write it down. Verification can be a little tricky when it comes on to the video verification. There might be times when you submit the video and it spins for more than 5 minutes and did not go through. Sometime you need to resubmit the video again. Sometime you will have to start over the video process again. I have tried about 5 times and it failed, and that was in the night hours I tried it. So I waited until the next day during banking hours and did the video again and it went through instantly.